Hello, in front of me I've got Blackview A70. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay app. Tap blue button at the bottom of the screen and focus on loyalty card, gift card and transit. Firstly, let's enter loyalty card and select loyalty card you would like to add. Now you can scan your card or enter details manually. When it's done, let's go back, and now let's select gift card. It's pretty similar to loyalty card because you have to select a shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap save. And the last card you can add is public transport. If you are able to find your transit way, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.